Are you curious about what Cunard's cheapest cabin looks like on the Queen Victoria? In this video, I'll give you an exclusive tour of Inside Cabin 5005 and share some tips and tricks on making the most of your stay. If you're considering a Cunard cruise on a budget, stay tuned. Welcome back to Patsy Travels. Today, I'm taking you on a tour of Cunard Line's Queen Victoria, specifically the cheapest cabin option available, an inside cabin. I stayed in cabin 5005, and I'll share my personal experience along with some advice for future cruisers. If you enjoy cruise reviews, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Let's start the tour. As soon as you step into cabin 5005, the first thing you notice is the illuminated desk with complimentary drinks, a nice touch by Cunard. On the left, there's a comfortable bed, and to the right, wardrobes and the bathroom. To our surprise, we even found a complimentary bottle of champagne waiting for us. A great way to start the cruise. The room is smaller than most inside cabins I've been in, and it doesn't come with a sofa, but it's very well laid out, making the most of the limited space. While there's no iron in the cabin, each deck has a laundry room with an iron, washing machines, and dryers available, which is really convenient. Additionally, there were bathrobes and slippers provided for each guest. In my case, both robes were size L, so I requested a change, and they quickly brought one in my size, which was a nice touch. One of the key advantages of booking an inside cabin is, of course, the price. You still have access to most of the ship's amenities, just like the higher-tier cabins. The cabin was also incredibly soundproof, so we had peaceful nights. The only downside is the lack of a balcony, but we found a great solution. Heading up to the buffet on Deck 9 to watch the port departures during our Adriatic cruise. If you're interested in more cruise tips, make sure to check out my other videos on Cunard and Queen Victoria. I've covered dining options, itineraries, and much more. If you compare it to a balcony cabin, you do get a few extra perks, like a sofa, which is great for added comfort. But for me, choosing a more affordable cabin allows me to take more cruises throughout the year. It's all about prioritizing what's most important for your trip. Plus, with this cabin, you still get access to the Britannia restaurant, the Lido buffet, and you can also eat at the pub or pool bar, all included in your category. My recommendation? If you're booking an inside cabin, try to get one at the end of the hallways, far from the elevators. There's less foot traffic, and you'll enjoy a quieter stay. If the price difference is small, I'd personally choose a cabin with a balcony. But if you're on a budget like me, this cabin option is great. So, if you're looking for an affordable yet comfortable way to experience the Queen Victoria, the inside cabin might just be the perfect choice. Have you ever stayed in an inside cabin? Let me know in the comments. And if you're curious about more Cunard tips, check out my other videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cruise reviews. Thanks!